Hello, this is your boy Miguel from the Mobile Mechanic 757. Now I get down and get straight to the point. I'm still at the Jeep Liberty. This is part 4. It is not very hot outside, so it's creeping up to what it's supposed to do. It's about almost 80 degrees and it's doing what it's supposed to do. But the part of this video I want to show is this is the new Freon. And people saying, what kind of Freon do I have in my vehicle? A lot of it has stickers right here. This is the 134A, so this is readily available and very inexpensive. But the newer cars, say 2017s and above, some of them might have 134A, but they're phasing it out, have this R12344YF. This is extremely expensive and very flammable, by the way, too. Look it up, do your own due diligence. But this stuff is extremely expensive. A can like this will be almost $200. So if you have a leak and you have this new crap that's in there, get it fixed immediately. You cannot vent this and knowingly vent stuff. You can't do it. It's against the law and EPA, blah, 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 and the environment, the ozone, you can name it. But the point in the story is, if you have this crap in your car and you see that sticker, or and there's going to be a website that you can go to that I'm going to put on the description of the video, you can see what Freon you have in here. You must get this fixed, because if you have $200 just to sit around and waste, and depends on the leak, call me up and let me come work for you, because I'm going to be a very wealthy person. With that being said, these are the 2 Freons that are in your car. The older cars have this in there, the 1234A. I like to use synthetic because it works a lot better, just like synthetic oil. But this you cannot get around, and a lot of times they don't even sell this as a 12-ounce can. This is another can that's 134A, and this is 12 ounces. Well, guess what? Let me know how that works out for you if you can get a full 12 ounces. This is 4 ounces, and it costs almost 50 bucks. You got $200 minimum? Get one of these. Let me know how that works out for you, and I'm being straight up with you. If you like these videos, please like, subscribe, and share. I'm just trying to share information to the DIY people. I know the professionals are going to say what they got to say, but this is for DIY home users. I'm also a customer too when I get off work. If you like this video, please like, subscribe, and share. Thank you.